Sa video na to, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano kunin ang first 5 terms. A sub n equals n over 5. So, find the first term, substitute 3. Now, we have a sub 1 equals n over 5. So, papalitan natin yung n ng 1, so it becomes 1/5. 1/5 is in simplest form, so yan na po yung first term natin, 1/5. Okay, to find the second term, which is a sub 2, sasubstitute natin yung 2. So, a sub 2 equals n over 5. So, papalitan natin yung n ng 2. Therefore, we have a sub 2 equals 2 over 5 or 2/5. Okay, so 2/5 is in simplest form. So, therefore, ang second term natin ay 2/5. Okay, next, to find the third term, we substitute 3. So, a sub 3 equals n over 5. So, papalitan natin ng 3 yung n. So, it becomes a sub 3 equals 3/5. So, 3/5 is in simplest form. So, the third term is 3/5. Okay, next, to find the fourth term or a sub 4, we substitute 4. So, now we have a sub n equals n over 5. So, papalitan yung n ng 4. So, it becomes a sub 4 equals 4/5. So, 4/5 is in simplest form. Therefore, the fourth term is 4/5. And to find the fifth term, we substitute 5. Then, now we have a sub 5 equals n over 5. So, papalitan natin yung n ng 5. So, it becomes a sub 5 equals 5 over 5. So, we simplify 5 over 5. So, it becomes 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Therefore, the fifth term is 1. So, again, the first 5 terms of the given rule or equation, which is a sub n equals n over 5, is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 1.